Welcome to the world of meditation. Relax. Take a deep breath.
This is a series of educational videos that will help you to learn and understand more about meditation and stress. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification so you continue to receive more valuable videos.
Today, we shall discuss about the benefits of meditation. These are some of the main benefits of meditation. Improved concentration. A clear mind makes you more productive, especially in creative disciplines like writing. Less bothered by little things. Do you sometimes allow yourself to get upset by little things? It is the nature of the mind to magnify small things into serious problems. Meditation helps us detach. We learn to live in the here and now, rather than worrying about the past. We do not worry about meaningless things but see the bigger picture. Better health. There have been numerous studies pointing to the health benefits of meditation. The reason is that meditation reduces stress levels and alleviates anxiety. If we can reduce stress, many health benefits will follow. Knowledge of self. Meditation enables us to have a deeper understanding of our inner self. Through meditation, we can gain a better understanding of our life's purpose. In the next video, we shall discuss the art of meditation. Please voice out your thoughts in the comments section below. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification in order to keep up to date with all the awesome content in the upcoming videos. See you in the next video.